And that's why Dodge job-rated trucks are more profitable to their owners, because they do the most for their owners. Dodge trucks are job-rated to give their owners more payload, more rapid deliveries, more economical operation. Those are the features that count with truck owners.
All right. Look, mister, I've driven trucks and I've bought trucks. I'd like to see you prove this job-rated business.
It's a pleasure, my friend. Let's do it by comparing Dodge job-rated trucks with Ford trucks. Both of them in the 1/2 and 3/4 ton range, and in pickup, panel, express, and stake bodies.
Okay, mister, but I'm warning you. Don't pull any tricks. I'm going to be watching you like a purchasing agent with a galloping ulcer.
The closer you watch, the better I'll like it. So let's begin by actually charting a comparison of Dodge and Ford payloads. Will that satisfy you?
Yeah, if you've got the figures.
All right. To begin with, Dodge provides 2 half-ton pickups, a high-side and a low-side model, while Ford offers 1 model only. And Dodge's maximum payload is greater in both models. Yes, Dodge offers 2 half-ton pickup payload ratings, 1,600 pounds and 1,500 pounds, against Ford's single 1,480 pounds. And now let's compare panels. The Dodge half-ton panel truck carries more payload. It's rated at 1,425 pounds of payload, while the Ford half-ton panel is rated at only 1,330 pounds. Dodge offers more payload in 3/4 ton express, too. The high-side express has 2,275 pounds rated payload, and the low-side express 2,400 pounds. Ford's F2 3/4 ton express carries a maximum payload of only 1,948 pounds. Again, in stake trucks, Dodge has more maximum payload than Ford. The Dodge 3/4 ton stake carries 2,100 pounds, as against Ford's 1,828. I think that's the evidence you wanted. Dodge carries more payload in all 4 models: the half-ton panel and pickup, the 3/4 ton express, and stake. And remember, it's payload that makes the profit for truck owners.
Not so fast, buddy. Let's hear something about volume and area. You know, capacity. That's what counts with big light loads.
I was coming to that, friend. Listen to this. The Dodge half-ton panel has 11 cubic feet more capacity space than Ford. The Dodge half-ton high-side pickup has nearly 5.5 cubic feet more capacity than Ford. The 3/4 ton stake provides nearly 1 3/4 square feet more area than Ford. And it's in only 1 model, the 3/4 ton express, that Ford offers a capacity approximately equal to Dodge. But remember, in this model, too, Dodge carries substantially more payload. Now I ask you, mister, which is the better buy for payload, in weight or cubic capacity? Dodge or Ford?
It's Dodge, all right, for sure. But look, to make money, you've also got to have low upkeep, safety, maneuverability, performance, driving comfort, and so on.
That's right, mister. You want the facts on which truck is more profitable to buy. And it's a comparison we're glad to make. For example, for long life and rugged service, the horizontal slat of the Dodge panel is made of steel, but on the Ford, they're wood. Then, for body strength and rigidity, Dodge has 4 upright pillars, which are steel, but Ford has only 3, and one of those is made of wood. For longer body life, the Dodge panel truck has 3 roof bows, while Ford has only 2. Now, looking down on the Dodge panel, you can see how the full-length running board and rear fender protect the body from accidents, while the Ford body is open for sideswipe damage. Also, the Dodge fender is a separate unit, not part of the body, and even if it crumpled, damage would most likely not reach the body. But a blow on a Ford integral fender can damage the body, even though the body isn't actually hit by the blow. And the Dodge pickup and express bodies have sturdier, more functional fenders. Fenders a man can stand on. So, all in all,
What do you mean, all in all? You haven't talked about anything but bodies so far. How about where the driver sits, though? Inside the cab.
A good point. Let's take a look at cab's size first and see where 3 men, a driver, and 2 helpers can sit most comfortably. These 3 men can be most comfortable in the Dodge Pilot House cab because the Dodge seat in both the half and 3/4 ton jobs is a full 5 inches wider than Ford's. 5 inches can be the difference between comfort and jamming. To provide greater comfort and driving ease, the seat of the Dodge can be adjusted 5.5 inches. This is a full 2.5 inches better than Ford. Now for extra safety, the Dodge Pilot House cab windshield is big, bigger than Ford's by 263 square inches. Then, too, Dodge's larger windshield wipers make even bad weather driving safer than in a Ford. In the Dodge, you don't have to crane your neck to see to the left or right. And the Dodge defroster vents run almost the full width of the windshield, so winter driving is safer than in a Ford. Incidentally, that Ford one-piece windshield can be expensive to break. It costs more than one side of the Dodge 2-piece windshield. So, in either the 1/2 or 3/4 ton trucks, I think you'll agree the Dodge cab has plenty of plus values that far outshine Ford. They're values that make for greater safety, comfort, ease of handling, and more profits. And so far, you've only heard the half of it.